What are interrelated markets? Markets that have certain relationship in terms of supply or demand. So interrelated demand and or supply. They're probably coming from the same source, that sort of thing, right? So in this video, we're looking at joint supply. So I've given you an example of beef and leather. So if we slaughter more cows for beef, obviously the supply of leather will increase. Similarly, if we bring out more petroleum for petrol, the supply for Vaseline will increase. Leather and Vaseline, probably in this case, are byproducts. Okay. So if the supply of one good increases, it will increase the supply of other good, normally a byproduct, which has a market because it's sold in the market as well.
Okay.
So if the supply of one good increases, it will increase the supply of another good, normally a byproduct, and vice versa. Means if the supply decreases, the supply for the byproduct will. So let's understand this over here. I've given you examples of beef and leather and petrol and Vaseline. So if we increase the supply of petroleum for petrol, the supply for Vaseline will go up as well.
Yes.
So let's have a look at the diagrams, how they will behave in the market. So what's happening before we show the increase in supply over here. So in the diagram, when supply of beef, so in diagram I will demonstrate increases to the price of cow leather. Okay, so when the supply of beef is increasing in this diagram, where the market equilibrium is at price P1 and Q1, and let me label this as the market for beef, and this is the market for leather or cow leather. Some people call it cowhide as well. So when we increase the supply of beef, what will happen to the supply curve of beef? It will shift to the right.
Yes.
When it shifts to the right, we can see as the quantity is increased from Q1
Q2
to Q2, yes, the price drops
forms
from P1 to
P2.
P2. Let me color these differently. Let me put some arrows over here. So the quantity of beef has increased and the price has fallen. What will happen to the quantity of cow leather? Is that going to increase as well if the quantity of beef is increasing?
It's going to increase.
It's going to increase?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm going to use...
Due to joint supply.
Yes, absolutely, due to joint supply. So supply for cow leather has also increased. As we can see on, we've got Q1
Q1 to Q2.
to Q2,
And then the price falls down to P2.
and the price falls down. If everyone decides to become vegan, okay, and have no meat,
Yes.
what will happen to the supply curve of beef? Will it shift to the right or to the left?
To the left.
To the left. What will happen to the prices of beef?
Increase.
It will increase. What will happen to the supply of cow leather? Supply curve. Shift to the left or right?
Shift to the left.
What will happen to the price?
Price will go up as well.
Why? Because the quantity is?
High. No.
If the price is going up and the supply curve is shifting left,
Low. Small quantity.
quantity will be less. That is why the price is going up.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
So